top. I love the ruffles right now. And the peplum. Yes. Alright guys, I'm in the fitting room now. This is my little outfit. I just threw on something real quick because the store is not too far from me. So I was like, I'm just hopping in my Uber and going back home. I'm actually wearing this little cold shoulder sweater that is actually from Bryant. Better look at my sweater. It's so cute. So it's a cold shoulder sweater. And then it has these little ruffles and a side split and pearls all over. I love this little sweater. Perfect for this time of year. And it has pearls all over it. Michael Kors little nude bag, my favorite suede coat, some nice leggings, and my go-to red lipstick and cat eye sunglasses. And I'm just wearing these little slip-on studded espadrille kind of cork sandals. And that's it. So let's start trying. So this store actually didn't have the whole collection, but they happen to have some returns from the other stores in my size of like all the dresses I wanted to try on anyway. So I'm really excited. Let's get into it. And then I picked up a bunch of other stuff too. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so this first top, I thought it was really cute, but then I put it on and I was like, not for me. It's just a little bit overwhelming. I felt like it was ill-fitting. It was ill-made. So as you can see, it fits really big almost everywhere besides the top of my arms. Like my forearms is the one place that it was a little snug. Everywhere else it was too big. And I just felt like this shirt was wearing me instead of me wearing a shirt. And the bottom was way too long. It just almost looked like a maternity shirt. I just felt like it looked like I was pregnant. It just didn't look flattering on me at all. And you can see when I moved my arm, because it was snug, that it was like moving this shirt in a weird way. It was just a very ill-fitting top, and there wasn't enough arm room, but then the bottom was so big that it almost looked like a mini dress. So love the color, love the embroidery, but honestly it's one of those tops that just make you look bigger. It just makes you look like you're swimming in it. I felt like I was wearing an oversized child's dress, basically. This next top is really, really cute. I ended up picking this up. Now, I'm wearing a 20 here. This top runs really small. I'm wearing a 20, or not really small. I feel like it runs a little bit tight in the hips on me because I do really have big hips and it's not stretch. So I ended up picking up a size 22, and I actually preferred it because it gave me more room in the hip. And I like the fit of this top because it ran like a little bit smaller on top, but then it flared out towards the hips, which is where I need the space. I love the color of it. It's a really simple go-to, easy to wear spring, summer top, really lightweight. Love the ruffle with the V-neck. It has a little ruffly cap sleeve. It's just a flattering, cute top that you can dress up or down. I actually just wore this the other day quickly to an event. I just threw on this with some jeans, some white shoes, a white purse, and it was really, really nice and simple. A great like throw on piece when you just want to have a cute outfit but not think about it too much. This next piece is a pair of leopard print pants. As you can see, they're high waist and wide leg, but they are so flattering, so beautiful. I actually ended up finding these on clearance for under $10. They were literally like $9 and change. They're not returnable or refundable or exchangeable, but I love them. I think they're so flattering on me. I think they look so good. I cannot wait to wear these. They're a nice stretchy woven kind of material, but not like leggings. They're really, really high waist. I just absolutely love them. I thought they were so flattering and pretty, and I felt like I could wear these with a crop top, or in the fall, you know, wear even like a sweater with them. I just thought they were so pretty and flattering. I didn't find them online, but I'll try to link something similar, as whatever I can find that's similar to these, I will link them down below. Oh my god, this dress is gorgeous. So they only had a 22, because I probably would have gotten a 20, but now that I try on the 22, I actually feel like the 22 fits the hip area pretty well. It's the top that you can see it's big on me, it's falling off, but I could easily make that strap tighter because the other side fits fine. It has like this weird half thinner strap, half full strap kind of look, and then it has this beautiful petally off the shoulder look. It's so pretty, and I'm really, really loving this like pom-pom detail that a lot of outfits and tops and stuff and dresses have right now. So like ModCloth Anthropology inspired. Look at the ruffles. It's so lightweight and comfortable, and it's lined. Yes, give it to us. God, I think I need this. I feel like a summer princess. I love the colors too. I love that they're muted but still colorful. It's just like more chic to me than like bright, you know, out there colors. You guys know I'm a neutral gal. So this next dress is really, really pretty. I love the ruffle style, like overlap faux wrap ruffle. And it's really pretty. It has the off the shoulder look with the ruffle, elastic here, elastic here. It's really comfortable, chic, nice colors. Particularly not my vibe. I'm not a bright yellow kind of gal, but I know a lot of you like color. And this one's really pretty. I believe this is a size 20, so runs true to size. It's really pretty. You can pick out some of the colors that are in here, like the gray and the pink and the white, and kind of play with them. And it's really, really pretty. Like, it's comfortable. I feel like this is a beautiful, like, wear to work summer dress. Because of the material, it's that non-stretch woven material that is just more chic. It's like the slacks material. Again, not my particular style as far as the colors, but it is a beautiful option that you can dress up or down for work. I love it. So this is the floral print dress from the Beauty Curve collab with Bryant. I love this dress. I've seen it on everyone, and I think the pleats are just so beautiful. I recently wore a dress from ASOS that has pleats, and I loved it. This is that no stretch chiffon material. It is lined, which is great because it is slightly see-through. Without the lining, you can see my hand straight through it. So the lining is necessary. It hits at a beautiful length. It's so flowy and pretty. It's just a beautiful staple for your spring summer wardrobe. The sleeves are see-through with no lining, but the front here, the top is more opaque, so it's not as see-through as the shoulders. The colors are beautiful. I kind of wish that like vibrant orange was a little bit more toned down, because I feel like it makes it look a little bit cheaper, but it is really fun, bright, vibrant, really comfortable. Everyone's been wearing this. I knew that I would love it. Like I said, everyone's wearing it, so I don't know if I want to get it just because I feel like I'm just gonna look like everyone else, but it is beautiful. It's as nice as everyone says it is, and it is super flattering. Hey guys, so this is the dress I was most excited about because you guys know I love leopard print, and then the cut of the dress for me is just like super flattering on my shape. So, and it has pockets, which is so cool, and it buttons all the way down, and then it has this slight high-low where it is higher in the front than it is in the back, with a nice little slightly ruffly cut at the bottom. This nice like pleated look here. Waist is nice. Just perfect. Slightly ruffly sleeve here, which is so cute. I mean, and then the print is perfect, and it's actually lined, so it makes it a little bit more occasion wear-esque. Like, you could dress it up or down, which I really like as well. Really thoughtfully made piece. Perfect length. I have to have it. It is just like such a go-to. I will definitely be wearing this way too much this summer. Get ready. Every other post is going to be like leopard dress. It's just perfect. I love it. I love it. It's so flattering. Okay guys, so this dress I think is the same exact style, materials and everything as the floral pleated dress. So you can see it's the same length, same stretchy lining, same styles of the material. It's just that this one is just all yellow. Again, I feel the same way about it. It's like pretty, but I don't know. I don't feel like it's out of this world, like I need it. And yellow isn't. I just don't feel like it's my color. I feel like yellow looks better on darker skin. That's when it really thrives, in my opinion. So, really pretty. I mean, if I was gonna get it for free, I would wear it, of course. But am I gonna spend $100 on it? Not today, fam. Not today. So I am back home from my trip to Bryant. So it was like the perfect shopping trip because I was comfortable and I just took like a quick Uber there, quick Uber back. It was great. So I pretty much got everything I tried on because a bunch of it was on sale and I didn't know. So originally I was only gonna spend, I was like, oh, I'll spend like $150 and get like 2 or 3 things because I had a coupon and it was like $50 off of like $150 and then it was $75 off of $225. So I ended up doing $225 and getting $75 off, but then like a bunch of the stuff was on sale, so I was able to get even more than I was originally gonna get, and I still spent around the same amount of money. It was like a $20 more than I was expecting, but I got a lot of stuff. So I got the Beauty Curve a leopard maxi dress that I absolutely love, and then I got the Beauty Curve white floral dress that I said I really liked. I didn't love it, but I really liked it, and I thought it was a great option for those nights when you want to be dressy for the spring and summer but you don't know what to wear. It's a classic silhouette that looks good on everyone, and being that it was on sale, I was like, I'll pick it up. And then I picked up that ruffle top that I liked that was a little tight at the hips. I got a 22, so I picked up a 22 in that so that I could wear it casually throughout the spring and summer, and it's such a nice top. And then I picked up those leopard wide leg pants. I love those pants. And they ended up being on sale for $10, literally like $9 and change. But they're not returnable, not exchangeable, which is totally fine because I did try them on and I really like them. So, and I feel like they'll fit me even if I lose some weight. So love, love, love those. And then everything ended up being on sale besides the pink ruffle top. I also picked up the blue and white ruffle wrap dress, the one that has one strap and then the thicker strap on the other side. Loved that dress, and that one ended up being on sale as well. Like all the dresses were on sale for like $40, $50, $60, and then the only thing that wasn't on sale was that pink ruffle top, but it was fine because that ended up bringing me to my total, and then I was able to get the $75 off. So for $179 I got all of those items, which is amazing. That is still cheaper than buying 2 of the Beauty Curve dresses full price, and I got so much stuff. So really, really excited. You guys know that I normally shop like really fast fashion. I don't spend a lot on clothing, and I wear like things that I get for free. But I've been kind of trying to transition into wearing like more expensive brands and better brands that are more catered to a really full-figured woman. Being that I am a size 20, 22, between an 18 and a 22, depending on the item, I feel like I owe it to myself to invest in my wardrobe. And this spring and summer, I want to have the best wardrobe of my life. So I've been investing in more pieces from everywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this in the dressing room, try on, fitting room, whatever you want to call it. And I can't wait to style these pieces. I will be posting them on Instagram and wearing them through the spring and summer. I love you guys so much. And don't forget, if you want to see me work with Bryant and work with other brands, please, 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 please reach out to them. Let them know you want to see me in their campaigns or on their website or on their Instagram, that you want to see more try-on hauls from me, that you like my content and you want me to wear their clothing and give you my opinion on their clothing, because I can't always spend money on every single brand, but I would love to work with these brands, and it would really help if you guys could reach out to them if you genuinely want to see me work with them and wear their items. Okay guys, I love you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Gabriella Lascano. I'll see you in my next video, and I love you.